10th class, chapter number 14, statistics. First exercise 14.1. In this one, first question is given. A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. So 20 houses low, they are surveyed regarding the plants, number of plants, how many number of plants are there in the houses. So here the number of plants is taken 0 to, so 0 to 2 plants are there in one house, 2 to 4 plants are there in two houses, 4 to 6 plants are there in one house, 6 to 8 plants are there in 5 houses, 8 to 10 plants are there in 6 houses, 10 to 12 plants are there in 2 houses, 12 to 14 plants are there in 3 houses. So this is the given data. We should calculate the mean number of plants per house. In one house, how many plants are there in average? Mean is nothing but average. So for calculating of this mean, we have the 3 methods. So those 3 methods, we have the one is arithmetic mean for a group data. We should calculate in 3 methods. First one method is direct method. So arithmetic mean is shown by x bar. This formula we have sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So this fi is the frequency, xi is the middle value of the class. Second method is deviation method. So in this deviation method, we have the formula arithmetic mean is equal to x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Here is fi is the frequency, di is the deviation, that is equal to xi minus a. A means a is the assumed mean. So these two methods, and third method is the step deviation method, that is arithmetic mean is equal to x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Here fi is the frequency, ui is equal to di by h. Di is the deviation, h is equal to height of the class, or it is also called as size of the class. So a is the assumed mean. So in this question, he was given only one data, but we have to do the 3 methods for this one. So first I am doing first method. Direct method. In this one, first he was given class intervals. This is given question. Here number of houses also given. This is called frequency. So then we should calculate middle value and this value. Then substitute the formula and you get the answer. So here to find the middle value, how we should find the middle value? Here this is in this class interval, this is the lower limit, this is the upper limit. Lower limit plus upper limit. Middle value is equal to lower limit plus upper limit by 2. This is called average. This plus this by 2 is equal to 0 plus 2 is 2 by 2. 2 get cancelled, it is 1. So 1 you write here. Similarly 2, 4, second value 2 plus 4 by 2. Always average. Number of sum of the terms by number of terms. 2 plus 4 by 2. This is 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 by 2 is 2 1s are 2 3s are. It is 3. So this is 3. Now third value xi is equal to 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 by 2. This is equal to 6 plus 4 is 10 by 2. 2 1s are 2 5s are. It is 5. This is 5. Similarly 14. 14 by 2 is 7. 10 plus 8. 18. 18 by 2 is 9. 10 plus 12 is 22. 22 by 2 is 11. 12 plus 14. This is 26. 26 by 2 is 13. So these are the middle values. So after finding these values, just you multiply frequency and this fi and xi. These two multiply it. 1 into 1, 1. 2 3s are 6. 1 into 5, 5. 5 7s are 35. 6 9s are 54. 2 into 11, 22. 3 into 13. This is 39. Now This total you calculate, this total you calculate. This total is called sigma Fi. This total is called as sigma Fi xi. Sigma means sum of the values. So this total you see 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is 20. Total 20 houses we have surveyed. This total you see 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 25, 25, 6, 31, 32, 3 carry, 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 14, 15, 16, 162. Now we have the formula for direct method. Okay, remember that 3 methods are there. Any one method you can do it, but answer is same answer you will get it. First method I am taking direct method. Formula for direct method, arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is equal to x bar is equal to sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi. This is the formula for arithmetic mean direct method. So sigma Fi xi value is 162 by sigma Fi value is 20. Now this one you cancel it, 2 10s are, 2 8s are, 2 1s are. So 81 by 10. So 10 means it is nothing but 8.1. This is the answer. This is direct method arithmetic mean, first method. So same problem I am doing second method also. For this problem, in this video I am only giving only one problem in 3 methods. Okay. Question number 1, second method, deviation method. Okay, in this method we have the one column extra. Here it is deviation value, we get it one extra value. Given number of plants, that is class interval, same frequency, same thing we have taken. This frequency totally sigma Fi is 20. Already we have done in the direct method. Now you should find out the middle value. Same manner, 0 plus 2 by 2 is 1. 2 plus 4 by 2 is 6 by 2 is 3. This is 4 plus 2. 4 plus 6, 10 by 2 is 5. This is 6 plus 8, 6 plus 8, 14, 14 by 2 is 7. This is 10 plus 8, 9. 10 plus 8, 18 by 2 is 9. 10 plus 12, 22 by 2 is 11. This is 12 plus 14 is 26 by 2 is 13. So these are the middle values. Now you select the assume value, A value. A value you take any value. So generally we should take the middle value, that is A. So A is equal to, we are taken 7. Now di value calculate, xi minus A. X value is 1 minus A value we are taken 7. This is minus 6. Now xi value is 3 minus 7, it is minus 4. This is 5 minus 7, it is minus 2. Now here is xi value is also 7, A value is also 7. That's why it is 0. Now xi value is 9 minus 7, it is 2. This is 11 minus 7, it is 4. This is 13. 13 minus 7, it is equal to 6. Now you find out Fi into Di, multiply these two. Fi value and Di value you should multiply. So 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. 2 into minus 4 is 2 4s are 8. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 5 into 0 is 0. 6 into 2 is 12. 2 into 4 is 8. 3 into 6 is 18. Now you add these negative values first. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. Minus 16. These two you add, these three positive values you add it. So 12 plus 8 is 20, 30, 38 plus 38. This total is sigma Fi di is equal to 38 minus 16. 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So plus 22 we get it. Now we got it, the values A is equal to 7. We are assumed. So sigma Fi is 20. Sigma Fi di is 22. Now you write the formula. Deviation method, second method formula. You remember always arithmetic mean is equal to x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Then you substitute it. X bar is equal to a value is 7, sigma fi di is 22 by sigma fi is 20. 2 tens are 2 11s are. This is 7 plus 11 by 10. This is equal to 7 plus this 10 you write here, division 1.1. This is equal to 8.1. So direct method and deviation method both are having the same values. 3 methods: direct method, deviation method and step deviation method. So we have finished 2 methods, then go for the third method. So in the step deviation method we have same question but method is different. In this one we have one more column extra, that is ui. Okay, di already we have done in the deviation method. In step deviation method you have to solve the ui. Okay, so here xi values 0 plus 2 is 0 plus 2 by 2 is 1, this is 6 by 2 is 3, this is 10 by 2 is 5, this is 14 is 7, this is 9, this is 11 and this is 13. Okay, this total we know that sigma fi is equal to 20. Already we have done in the previous 2 methods. Now di means here you select any one value. Here I am selecting same value a is equal to 7. Okay, 7 means here it is 1 minus 7, 1 minus 7 is minus 6, 3 minus 7 is minus 4, 5 minus 7 is minus 2, here 7 minus 7 is 0, 9 minus 7 is 2, 11 minus 7 is 4, here 13 minus 7 is 6. Now ui means di by h. So h is equal to, how we should calculate h means you take the difference between two lower limits or difference between two upper limits, then you will get the correct answer. 4 minus 2 or 2 minus 0. So 2 minus 0 is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2 only. Any two numbers you take, same value. 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 6 is 2. So this is the h value. H is the class, length of the class, 0 to 2, 2 minus 0, 4 minus 2. Difference between lower limits or difference between upper limits. Now this di value divided by 2. So this is minus 6 by 2, it is minus 3. Then minus 4 by 2, it is minus 2. This is minus 2 by 2, h value, it is minus 1. This is 0 by 2 is 0. This is 2 by 2 is 1. This is 4 by 2, 2. This is 6 by 3. 6 by 2 is 3. So here you observe it. Wherever you have taken a value, that value is 0, you get it. So upper values are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, you get it. Automatically for any problem you get the same values. Down values you see 1, 2, 3, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. So wherever you take the a, that value equal to 0. Upper values are minus 1 to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Lower values are plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. So these values, any values are there, these values must be same. Now you multiply the fi and ui. These two multiplied, fi ui here. So 1 into minus 3. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. 2 into 2 minus 4. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. 5 into 0 0. 6 into 1 is 6. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. Then negative values you added, 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8 minus 8. Here positive values, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 9 19. Now sigma fi ui is equal to 19 minus 8 is 11. Then we got it the values. A is equal to 7, h is equal to, we have 2, sigma fi is 20, sigma fi ui is 11. So we have the formula for step deviation method. arithmetic mean is equal to x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. This is the formula for step deviation third method. So x bar is equal to a value, we know that 7, sigma fi ui value is 11, sigma fi is 20 into h value is 2. Now 7 plus 11 by 20. 11 by 20 means here you take cancel and 2 ones are 2 tens are. That is 11 by 10. It is equal to 7 plus 11 by 10 is 1.1. This is nothing but 8.1. For 3 methods we got it the same value. Arithmetic mean. But formulas are different, procedure is different. So in these 3 methods, which is the easy means better you go for the step deviation method. Suppose in the examination he asked for direct method means you do direct method. Suppose he was not asked any method, just he was asked find the value of arithmetic mean means you do the better for this direct method. Sorry, this deviation, step deviation method is very easy and important. Okay, suppose here these values are very big values are given, then you go for the step deviation method, you will get the small values and calculation is also very simple. So 3 method formulas, you remember it. Once again I am revising you. Here arithmetic mean of direct method, arithmetic mean of direct method is equal to x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Deviation method, second method, arithmetic mean is equal to x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. And third method we have step deviation method, arithmetic mean x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. So these 3 formulas you remember, then do all the problems in this exercise, remaining problems you do yourself only. Okay, in the next video I will give the answers. Thank you.